How to recover deleted project in CapCut. So if you want to recover deleted project in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your CapCut application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your CapCut, you need to go with Me, which will be on the bottom, and then go with Settings. So let me tell you that you won't be able to recover your deleted project in your CapCut, but if it has been saved in your CapCut projects like this, if it has been saved right here, then you'll be able to recover it. But if you have deleted from here as well, then you won't be able to recover your deleted project. So what you need to do is go with your Me section, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the Settings, which will be on the top right. You need to scroll down and then tap on Auto Upload, and from here you need to tap on Projects. Make sure that it is turned on. After turning this on, it will be saved automatically to your project. So that's how you can recover your deleted project in your CapCut from now on. But once it has been deleted, you won't be able to recover it if your auto upload is not turned on. So make sure that you have turned on the auto upload, and from now on you'll be able to recover your deleted project. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.